Another important and most crucial point is, in the world of 2026, people believe in this concept of nuclear families, joint families, very few, right? But the point is that if you spend your time with friends and family, mark my words, if you spend your time with friends and family, you're going to have a special connection with the world and stuff. It's only when your relationship with yourself and people around you is not great that you kind of go and you have a bad relationship with the world around, and vice versa, right? So friends and family can help you achieve anything in this world and stuff. If you don't get the right medicines, I think families appreciation would mean a lot to a lot of people and stuff. And when people are not enjoying their social connections and they go back to their family roots or where it all began and stuff and all that, maybe an appreciative father, a mother, a grandparent, you feel cared for, you feel loved and stuff. And no matter how competitive, how crude, how cold the world may get, but a few words of tenderness or kindness from a senior in your family or somebody in your family definitely kind of, rings that bell, and it kind of makes you think about all the fun, all the joy, all the laughter, all the great times in this world. And when you're with your family and friends, you're not thinking about the world, you're not thinking about office, you're not thinking about people around you, you're not thinking about the disturbing colleagues, the traffic, the issues of the world and stuff like that. So that's why family is really important, right? Now, with that comes, you know what the tiger scripts had said, family scripts, what is running into your brain, the way some uncle auntie thought, you thought that was the best way to be in life and stuff. So when you're meditating and when you're mindful and you're enhancing your skill sets and you're working on yourself and all that, then those tiger prints start either playing an extremely important role in your life or they start going away from your life, right? So I'll take that on the next video. Setting the goal, most important, as it's going to be the weekend, it's my reminder that set some goals and stuff. Because see, when you say I don't got no motivation, or I don't get it from people, or this place doesn't inspire me, this role doesn't inspire me, the environment doesn't inspire me and stuff. Part of it can be correct and stuff, but mostly it's you. Probably you don't like the place, probably you don't like the people, probably you're not enjoying your work, probably it's not the kind of work environment, probably it's not the kind of work you want to do and stuff. So you get to know about it and stuff, right? So very important is to set your goal. And when you think that going to a certain place motivates you, actually it's not the place that is motivating you, it's just you. That place is only bringing out the better in you. It's bringing out what is already within you and stuff, or it's just aligned